Hey everyone, this is Daniel and Kelly, and the new FE Low Impact program is now available.
So the workouts are 5 days a week with an optional 6th day, and the workouts average out to about 34 minutes a day.
But they don't go over 40 minutes a day,
Yes,
so it's
they
still,
never go over 40.
yeah, it's still nice and short.
So all of the workouts are low impact. The most predominant training types are strength training because it's excellent for building lean muscle and burning fat without any jumping at all. We also have low impact cardio and HIIT, a bunch of Pilates, stretching, yoga. It's pretty much a smattering of everything, but without jumping. It's beginner friendly, but it can also be made as difficult as you need it to be. I'm actually going to start it. Today is Saturday, so not tomorrow, Monday. So that is today's tomorrow for this video launch.
If that's not confusing enough. But don't worry, the
I'm
program is
doing
nice
it
and
with
simple.
you. Yeah.
You don't need anything for the program at all except for an optional pair of dumbbells. If you have a bench or an exercise mat, those will come in handy as well, but you do not need them at all. Is Poochie okay? He's grumbling.
He's very tired.
Yes.
This is hard work for him.
Very hard work, yeah.
These programs, you can complete them at any pace you like, and you can also do them as many times as you like. So once you buy them, they're yours to repeat as many times as you like.
Yeah. So for more information, take a look at the description below. Otherwise, hope you guys enjoy the new program. See you in a bit.
Thank you.
Bye.